Today's question comes from Stefania from Nebraska, and she writes, "Hey Erin, I love your YouTube classes and I've been doing yoga with you for a little while now. I was wondering, can yoga be a primary way to lose weight, or is more intense cardio necessary?" It really depends on how you use your yoga. I think there's two ways that people use yoga, right? Some people use yoga as a form of exercise. They like to sweat, maybe they go to hot yoga even, they like to move fast, and that's what makes them feel good. Then there's other people who like the more restorative aspects of it. They like that yoga is meditative and relaxing and kind of de-stressing from the rest of their day. Obviously, there's plenty of variations in between. If you're doing more intense versions of yoga, let's say you're doing Vinyasa flow, where you are working up a sweat, where you can feel your heart rate is getting elevated, that is certainly going to be one effective tool for weight loss, especially when your diet is on point. When you're eating clean and you're doing that form of exercise, whether it comes from yoga or it comes from running, if you're getting your heart rate up, then you'll definitely see results. If you're just doing the more restorative side of yoga, doing some stretching, some meditation, you might see some difference because you're still moving your body, but you definitely need that other aspect to it. You need to let your body work a little bit for those results. And yoga can definitely be a tool for it, but you have to choose wisely. If you are looking to lose weight or get in shape, make sure that you're taking classes, you're choosing classes that are going to target those areas, those larger muscle groups that are going to make you work a little harder, going to make you sweat a little more, get the heart rate elevated so that you get to the goal that you want to go to.